Bali, the famed island of the gods, a small island that has such diversity, dense jungle, active volcanoes, colorful offshore reefs. But there is still community lives in east part of Bali still find their way to recover the economy. This is where the project began.
Hi everyone, I'm Geraldine. Today we are building coral substrates. This is the first day for meet and eat.
So with meet and eat, we make like a home for the coral. So we have like many people came here, gather around, do some things, fun and hardworking.
Corals grow on top, so we are going to put the substrate into the sea, but before that we are preparing the substrate by mixing cement, making holes, putting in the iron rods and everything. So we are basically building the foundation of the substrate.
Our volunteers carefully seed the coral into substrate, and it requires 2 to 3 years to grow. The second project is to build a home for the bees.
For all the blessings that we are receiving every day, I mean, the people here, the community, we are so blessed that we have something more. And then I think you should just need to have a genuine concern for the sustainability and as well as to the people and the community so that you could, you know, do the work lightly. The work is hard, but mas maging madali siya kung lalagyan mo ng puso.
The box that we created is used as bee home that eventually produce honey.
Come and join me and eat! See you!